The sanding pad both holds the sandpaper and provides a flat surface for sanding. This pad uses adhesive back paper and has no holes, so it doesn't work with dust collection. Over time, the pad will wear out. It will become nicked around the edge if it is struck against something while sanding. The vinyl surface will eventually rip free from the foam pad. Replacing the sanding pad is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old pad. The pad is secured with 3 screws. I'll remove the screws from the pad. Now I can install the new pad. First, I'll place the screws through the holes in the pad. Now I'll line the screws with the holes in the hub. I'll use a screwdriver to start the screws so I don't strip the threads. And then I can finish up with my impact driver. And that's all it takes to install a new sanding pad on your sander. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.